Hari Om, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. We are all very well familiar with the great Mahishasuramardini Stotram. Mahishasuramardini Stotram is played to and chanted in every Hindu household. This stotram is very popular, auspicious, and powerful, and is based on Devi Mahatyam. In this stotram, Ma Durga takes several forms to slay demons like Madhu, Kaitabha, Mahishasura, Sumbha, Nishumbha, Chanda, Munda, Raktabija, and many others. The positive vibrations from the lyrics and the tempo of the stotram are extraordinary and amazing. Researchers have established that this stotram is composed and rendered by Ramakrishna Kavi. Not much is known about the poet himself, but the stotram, it is amazing and great. So in this series of lessons, let's learn Mahishasuramardini stotram. Let's get started with lesson 1. In this lesson, first I will say 1 to 2 words. Please repeat after me. Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodini Nandinute Girivaravindhya Shirodhini Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Jeshnunute Bhagavati Heshiti Kanthakutumbini Bhuri Kutumbini Bhuri Krite Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute Suravaravarshini Durdharadharshini Durmukhamarshini Harsharate Tribhuvanaposhini Shankaratoshini Kilbishamoshini Ghorarate Danujaniroshini Durmadashoshini Dukkhavinashini Sindhusute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute. Excellent work. Let's do that one more time. 1 to 2 words. First I will say. Please repeat after me. Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodini नन्दिनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्य शिरोधिनिवासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोररते दनुजनिरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि दुःखविनाशिनि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Great work. Now let's try to do one sentence at a time. Please repeat after me. ऐगिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दिनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोधिनिवासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोररते धनुजनिरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि दुःखविनाशिनि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते Excellent work. Now let's recite the slokas together. Please sing along with me. ऐगिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दिनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशितिकण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोररते धनुजनिरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि दुःखविनाशिनि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Excellent work. With this we will conclude lesson 1 of Mahishasuramardini Stotram lessons. Let's meet again in lesson 2. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.